What if I told you that one of the most overlooked anti-aging habits after 60 is not what you eat for breakfast, not what supplement you take in the morning, but what you put in your body before bed? Because the truth is, your body does not age the fastest when you are awake. A lot of that silent aging happens at night, when sleep is supposed to switch your body into repair mode. And if that repair window gets weaker with age, the damage does not always announce itself right away. It shows up slowly: stiffer arteries, more inflammation, slower healing, heavier fatigue, brain fog, blood pressure that creeps up, a body that feels older than it should. And here is what most people never get told. One simple bedtime food may help support that overnight repair process in a very specific way. I'm talking about Tart cherries. Now, before you dismiss this as another trendy superfood claim, stay with me, because this is not really a story about cherries. It is a story about sleep biology, inflammation, blood vessels, and what your body is still trying to fix while you are in bed. And after 50, and especially after 60, that matters more than most people realize. I'm Dr. Leana, and in this video, I want to show you why a small amount of Tart cherry before bed may support deeper overnight recovery, why that can matter for your arteries, your cells, and healthy aging, and the one mistake seniors make that can turn a good idea into the wrong bedtime habit. Let's start with the real problem. Aging is not just about getting older on the calendar. Aging is what happens when the body's repair systems slowly lose efficiency. During the day, your cells are under constant pressure. They are burning fuel, producing energy, dealing with blood sugar swings, handling stress hormones, cleaning up inflammation, and repairing tiny bits of wear and tear from normal metabolism. That includes oxidative stress, which is basically the biological rusting effect created when unstable molecules damage healthy tissue. That kind of damage is not unusual. It is part of life. But your body is designed to handle it. And one of the most important times it handles it is during sleep. Sleep is not passive. It is not dead time. It is active maintenance. This is when the brain clears waste more efficiently. This is when hormone patterns shift. This is when the nervous system calms down. This is when blood pressure is supposed to drop. This is when your tissues move away from constant daytime defense and more toward recovery. In other words, nighttime is when the internal repair crew comes to work. But here is where it gets more important after 60. Many older adults are not getting the kind of sleep that allows that repair crew to do its job well. Sleep becomes lighter, more fragmented, easier to interrupt. You wake up more often. You may fall asleep earlier, but wake up too soon. Or you feel like you slept, but you did not really restore. And that has consequences. Because poor sleep does not just make you tired the next day. It can keep the body in a more inflamed, more stressed, less repaired state. Over time, that can affect blood pressure, blood sugar regulation, appetite, immune balance, mood, memory, and cardiovascular strain. So when people say they are aging faster, sometimes what they are really describing is a body that is not recovering properly at night anymore. And this is where Tart cherries become interesting. Not magical, not curative, but biologically interesting. Tart cherries, especially Montmorency tart cherries, naturally contain compounds linked to sleep support. One of them is melatonin, the hormone that helps signal darkness to the brain and supports the timing of sleep. They also contain plant compounds called polyphenols, along with nutrients and naturally occurring substances like tryptophan that may support sleep-related pathways. Now, why does that matter? Because the body needs the right signals to shift into nighttime mode. Think of melatonin like a dimmer switch. It does not knock you out. It tells the body, now we move out of bright, alert, active mode and toward rest, repair, and night physiology. That signal can become more inconsistent with age. Add late-night light exposure, stress, irregular sleep habits, blood sugar swings, and inflammation, and that transition gets even weaker. Tart cherries may help support that transition, and that is the first reason they matter. Several small studies have suggested tart cherry juice or tart cherry concentrate may improve sleep time or sleep quality, including in older adults with insomnia. Not because cherries are a sleeping pill, but because they may gently support the body's own sleep signaling. That subtle difference matters. We are not talking about sedation. We are talking about supporting biology. And once sleep improves even modestly, something bigger may happen. The body gets a better chance to recover. Now let's talk about the part of your title that sounds almost unbelievable. DNA repair. When people hear DNA, they think of something abstract and distant, but DNA is simply the instruction code inside your cells. Every day, that code takes hits from normal living, inflammation, oxidation, poor sleep, environmental stress, and everyday metabolism can all create damage that the body then has to identify and repair. Your body has repair enzymes for this. It is not helpless. But here is the key. Those repair systems do not work in a vacuum. They work better in the right environment. And sleep appears to be one of the states that supports that cleanup and repair process. So no, Tart cherries are not some miracle fruit that goes into your body and fixes your DNA like a science fiction movie. That is not how this works. But if Tart cherries help improve sleep and reduce some of the inflammatory and oxidative pressure on the body, then they may help create a better internal environment for the repair work your body is already trying to do overnight. That is a much more honest statement. And frankly, it is more powerful because it is real biology. But that is only part of the story. The real reason this matters after 60 goes deeper than sleep. It involves your arteries. Most people think artery problems begin when cholesterol gets high or when a doctor says the word plaque. But vascular aging starts much earlier and much more quietly than that. One of the first things to suffer is the endothelium, the delicate inner lining of your blood vessels. That lining matters enormously. It helps regulate how well blood vessels relax, how smoothly blood flows, how much inflammation builds up, and how well the vessels respond to stress. When the endothelium is healthy, your arteries are more flexible and protective. When it becomes irritated by inflammation, oxidative stress, high blood pressure, blood sugar problems, or poor sleep, the vessels become more vulnerable. And after 60, that loss of flexibility can be felt everywhere. Higher blood pressure, colder feet, slower recovery, less exercise tolerance, more strain on the heart, more risk over time. So where do Tart cherries fit in? Their polyphenols appear to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, which means they may help reduce some of the internal chemical stress that damages blood vessels. Some research has shown Tart cherry products may improve certain cardiovascular markers, including blood pressure in some groups, and may reduce inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein in older adults. Now, I want to be very clear here. That does not mean Tart cherries heal your arteries the way a procedure opens a blocked vessel. It does not mean they reverse decades of damage overnight. It means they may support a healthier vascular environment, and that matters. Because arteries do not usually become healthier from one dramatic event. They become healthier from repeated support, repeated recovery, and less biological friction over time. That is the real anti-aging lesson. Small supportive inputs, done consistently, can shift the direction of aging. And this is exactly why the bedtime timing matters. During the day, your body is busy reacting. At night, it is better positioned to restore. So putting the right food in at the wrong time may not have the same effect as putting it in at a moment when the body is already preparing for repair mode. That is why a modest amount of Tart cherry before bed may be more useful than taking it randomly in the middle of the afternoon. But now we need to talk about the biggest mistake seniors make. They turn a targeted bedtime habit into a sugar habit. This is where good intentions go wrong. Some people hear cherry juice and pour a huge glass. Others buy a sweetened cherry drink that is loaded with added sugar. Others take it right before lying down, then wonder why they are up at 2 a.m. using the bathroom. Others assume more is better, as if doubling the amount will double the benefit. That is not the goal. The goal is not a sugar spike. The goal is a gentle, strategic bedtime support. A practical starting point is a small serving of unsweetened Tart cherry juice, or a diluted Tart cherry concentrate about 60 to 90 minutes before bed. Not a giant glass, not a dessert substitute, not mixed into a sugary nighttime snack. Small and consistent is better than large and dramatic, and consistency matters more than one perfect night. You are not trying to knock yourself out tonight. You are trying to support a better pattern over the next 1 to 2 weeks and see how your body responds. Sleep quality, morning stiffness, overnight restlessness, and how restored you feel the next day are often more useful than obsessing over one single night. Now, there is another point many people miss. Tart cherries work best as part of a larger nighttime environment. If you drink Tart cherry juice, but you are scrolling your phone in bright light until midnight, eating a heavy sugary snack at 10:30, keeping the room too warm, and waking with untreated sleep apnea, you are fighting against your own biology. This is not a magic override. It is a support tool. Here is what most people over 60 actually need: a darker room, regular sleep timing, less late-night light, fewer heavy evening meals, and a bedtime habit that does not keep blood sugar swinging or the nervous system activated. In that setting, Tart cherries may become more effective because they are working with your biology instead of trying to rescue chaos. And this is where it gets even more important. Not everyone should copy this blindly. If you have diabetes or prediabetes, you need to be careful with portions because even unsweetened juice contains natural sugars. If you wake frequently to urinate, drinking too much liquid too close to bedtime may make sleep worse, not better. If you have digestive sensitivity, reflux, or certain medication concerns, this may not be the perfect fit for you. And if you take blood thinners or other medications that require dietary consistency or caution, talk with your clinician before making it a nightly habit. Also, if your sleep is chronically poor, if you snore heavily, gasp, stop breathing, wake with headaches, or feel exhausted during the day no matter what you try, please do not assume you need more cherry juice. You may need evaluation for a real sleep disorder. That distinction matters because food can support physiology, but it does not replace medical care when something deeper is going on. So what is the real takeaway here? It is not that tart cherries are a miracle. It is that your bedtime window is more biologically powerful than you have been told. After 60, the body is still trying to repair. It is still trying to calm inflammation. It is still trying to protect blood vessels. It is still trying to manage oxidative stress. It is still trying to preserve function. But it needs the right conditions, and one of the most important of those conditions is sleep that actually allows repair to happen. Tart cherries may help because they sit at the intersection of three things that matter deeply in aging: sleep signaling, inflammatory balance, and vascular support. That is why this simple habit deserves more attention than it gets. Not because it is flashy, because it is biologically smart. So if you want a practical way to test this, here is what I would suggest. Choose an unsweetened tart cherry juice or a quality tart cherry concentrate. Keep the serving modest. Take it about an hour to an hour and a half before bed, and do it consistently for several nights while protecting the rest of your sleep routine. Notice how you sleep. Notice how you feel in the morning. Notice whether your body feels calmer, less stiff, and more restored. Because sometimes healthy aging is not about finding one big cure. Sometimes it is about finally respecting the hours when the body is trying to save you, and nighttime may be one of those hours. If this video helped you see bedtime differently, tell me in the comments. What do you usually eat or drink before bed? And have you ever noticed it affects your sleep, your stiffness, or how old you feel the next morning? And if you want more science-based strategies to support healthy aging, heart health, inflammation control, and better energy after 60, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who still thinks sleep is just rest. Because it's not just rest, it's repair.